Did you know that the average time spent baking a traditional cheesecake can be upwards of 2 hours? If you are like me and constantly on the lookout for quick, delicious solutions, you are in for a treat today. I am Hannah, host from blogging Good Food, and I have got a game changing recipe that will have you enjoying a delectable 3 ingredient no bake cheesecake in under 5 minutes. Ingredients: all you need: cream cheese, sweetened condensed milk, and a drop of vanilla. Simple and delicious. That's the secret recipe. Step 1: Mixing. Dive in by wiping up that cream cheese until it's silky. Slowly pour in the sweetened condensed milk. Drop in some vanilla extract and give it a good mix. Blend until smooth. We are aiming for dessert perfection here. Step number 2: Setting. Time to dress it up. Now let's make it look nice. Pour the creamy mix into your chosen crust, maybe graham crackers. Use a spatula to smooth it out. Pro tip: use the back of a spoon for a flawless finish. Details matter. Step 3: Chilling. Now the anticipation. Pop that creation into the fridge for more 2 hours. Topping tips. Drum roll for toppings: fresh fruits, chocolate shavings, or a drizzle of caramel. Let your creativity run wild, because why settle for good when you can make it extraordinary? So, there you have it, our 3 ingredient no bake cheesecake adventure. If you enjoyed this sweet ride, give that like button a high five and hit subscribe. For more recipes, reviews, and foodie fun, head over to blogginggoodfood.com. Let's keep this conversation going on social media. Tag us with your culinary dreams. Until our next kitchen escape, take care.